In a world of pressure and conformity, would you stand firm for your beliefs? Enter the bold heroes Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego, who faced King Nebuchadnezzar's fiery furnace for refusing to worship a golden idol. The trio's unwavering faith ignited divine intervention. They were spared from the flames, walking unharmed alongside a mysterious fourth figure. Witnessing this miraculous event, the king proclaimed the greatness of their God. Their courage not only saved them, but reshaped an entire kingdom's faith forever.